Ahlan wa sahlan, Ismi Bilal, and today we are going to discover that our washing machine is not working. Why is that so? So as you can see, we have power supply, and as I turn this on, it's not spinning. So this is a Kenwood washing machine, cyclone, and its wiring diagram is almost erased. So we will discover how its wiring is working and where it's going. First of all, these two are main supply. This is the main line. It has 3 wires. So I have separated this green line from the main line with yellow line on it. This wire is attached to the bodies, one with the dryer motor body and another goes to there. To the spinning motor body. What we have left from the main wire, one is brown and another is blue. Blue wire directly goes to dryer motor wire and spinning motor wire. This is the spinning motor wire, this is the spinning motor wire for this, and this is the dryer motor wire. This one goes to this. Now what we have left is this brown. Now this brown wire is going upwards. We will discuss this brown wire later and see we have other 3 wires coming down. These 3 wires, red, yellow and it's a grey wire. Red, yellow and grey. First of all, grey wire. One side of this is going to the dryer motor and another side is going to the capacitor here. And with this there is a green line. This green line is also going to dryer wire. So these 2 capacitor wires, grey and green, are going to dryer motor. And now yellow wire. Yellow wire is going to spinning motor and other part of it is going to capacitor, and there is this red line which is also going to spinning motor. So these 2 are for spinning motor there, and these 2 are for this dryer motor. Now let's see what's written here. We have the name and we have this is 5 here and 13 here. I don't know what this means, but this is dryer motor wire and these 2 are for spinning motor. As you can see here, this is a dryer's line and this is the spinning motor line. This blue is coming directly from the main line. This blue is present in both lines, which is coming directly from the main line. Blue is in both wires and other 2 wires are coming from capacitor, and in the capacitor these yellow and red are coming from upwards, and one grey wire. This green wire is not going upwards. This one is just here in capacitor and in this motor, not upwards. Now let's discuss this brown wire, where this is going and what's under the knobs. So here, this brown wire from the main line is going to this switch, and also it's going to this switch, this. This knob is for the spinning and this knob is for the dryer. Now let's see those other wires. Yellow and red are for the spinning motor. These are going to capacitor and then to spinning motor. Now here, there, these are to spinning motor knob. And those other, there are no other lines. These are 3 and this gray wire. This was in the capacitor for dryer motor. This has this switch. This switch. This is working with this. As we lift this, this goes down. So as this goes down, this switch off the connectivity with this orange wire, and this orange wire is going to the knob. This is going to the knob. What actually is happening? First of all, this brown wire is the main wire, which is directly supplying the 220 AC voltage. This is supplying power to this knob here, and this knob is supplying power to the switch. As we close the lid, this switch attach and this opens up. Actually this closes the current, and current passes from orange wire to this gray wire, and this gray wire goes straight down to this capacitor and also this motor, which start spinning. This wire is clear. These two are also supplying power to another motor. How? This brown wire is supplying power to this. Here, this brown wire is supplying power directly, and this gives power to yellow and red line. And from capacitor, these line goes to this motor here. Now what we have left is this purple line and green line and this gray line. This gray line is going from this knob to this knob, that's it. It's not going to this knob. It has another gray line and this has another. These three lines, these two lines are right here. This purple and green line is supplying power here to this drain knob, and this gray line is going behind this. That's it.